In this video we're going to talk about all these functions and we will learn them and explain them. Okay, I have categorized them like in math. In statistical functions we have these sum, average and count. In logical function we have if, lookup and reference function, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index and match. Text function we have these 7 or 8 function for text. Error handling, IFERROR. Random number function rand, and subtotal and aggregate function subtotal. So we will teach you all these functions. So let's get started. The first one is sum. Okay, let's apply the sum. Whenever you would like to find the sum of values, so for that we are using sum. Okay, let's write sum function, open the parenthesis, then select like this or simply write like this. Okay, G5 is the start. Okay, this cell G5, J5, and until J16 row, right, like this, J16. Close it, press enter. So this is the total of these values. The second function is average. So let's find the average. For average I will come here to the sheet 2 and let's add a new column for the average, and also let's change the text color to black, and here I will find the average equal to average tab. After opening the parenthesis, so let's select these 4 values, okay, of math, chemistry, physics and biology. Close the parenthesis, press enter. So this is the average for this student, the first one. Let's drag it down. So we found the average for all students. So this was all about the average, to find average. Now let's move to another, which is count. Okay, count is used to count the numbers in a range. Okay, for example, you would like to count the numbers in this area. So let's do it. Okay, equal to count. It is just counting as the number. So let's select all this area. Okay, how many cells, how many numbers we have in this range. Let's close it. We have 24, 12 and 12. We have 24 number in this area. Now let's move to another, which is F. Okay, to use the F, for that I will pass here a result column. And for the result, so to use the F function, for that let's write F, open the parenthesis. It is a logical testing. Okay, we will logically test. Okay, we will add a condition to our Excel. Okay, like this. If the average, we want to find the pass and fail students. So if the average was greater than 70, we will make the student as pass, otherwise fail. So let's do it. First of all, we will select this one. If this average was greater than 70, comma, right here pass, else, comma, fail. It is our condition. Okay, press enter. So this is failed with us because the average is lower than 70. Let's drag it down. So other students are fast because the average is higher than 70. So it was the usage of F function. Now let's use to VLOOKUP function. Okay, so how to use VLOOKUP? Just come here. VLOOKUP is used to search vertically. It means to find a value vertically. So to use VLOOKUP, first of all, I will convert this whole area to as table. Let's make it all border. After that, Control T, change it to the table, and I will just add a new design. And also let's remove the filter, data, remove the filter, and change the text color of the first one to black. So let's change the table design. Now let's apply it. Okay, equal to VLOOKUP. Open the, first of all, lookup area. We would like to search in this cell. Okay, we want to find the average of student based on ID. Okay, so we will select this area here. We will enter the ID of student, comma, then our data. Select our data. After selecting our data, comma, what we will do, then we will just column number, which we want to find the average. So average in which column is it? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. It is an 8th column, comma, then 0 for exact match or 1 for approximate match. Okay, so close it, press enter. Right now we didn't write the ID of student. Let's write, for example, the third student average. See, the average of third student is 90. Let's change it to, for example, fifth student. Okay, press enter. See, that is 71 for the fifth student. It is 71. So this is how we use the VLOOKUP function. So let's move back here. Let's now use the HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP was vertical lookup. Okay, vertically it was looking. HLOOKUP is used to horizontally VLOOKUP, horizontally searching. Okay, before we were searching and based on column, now we will search based on row. So let's apply it. Okay, for example, equal to HLOOKUP. Lookup value, we will select again the left side cell because we will search in this area. We can select here a cell also, but we will search based on okay, to we manually write something. Then comma, then we will select our table array. So let's select our data. After that, comma, then let's write the row index number, which row we want to search. For example, we want to search based on sixth one. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Let's write 6 and comma, then 0 for exact match. Close it and press enter. Now let's write here something. Okay, for example, we want to search the 6th number student biology marks. Okay, so let's write here, press enter, biology not found. Let's write here the 5th. Okay, search it, biology. Let's write the result. So because I think we have spaces here, no space here. So the problem is that we should select the header also in this area. Okay, so let's write it again. Okay, so first of all we will select this area, then comma, then we should select the header also in our data. Okay, let's, because we are vertically searching, comma, then a row number, for example 4th one, and comma, then 0, press enter. So the result of 4 student is pass. Let's for example write here the average for the student, average, press enter. See, average for the 4th one is 90. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, it started from this first row, second, third, and fourth. This is the 4th one. Okay, which found we the 90. Okay, so let's now find the chemistry mark. Press enter. See, the chemistry mark is also 90. Look at, and if you want to find the physics marks, so that is 97. So it is how we are using HLOOKUP function. Now let's use index and match combined. Okay, index is used to find a value and match is used for finding the position. So now we will combine them to find a value. Okay, for that let's come here. Here we will use that function. So for the index match, here I will write cell, and to the right side, left side, I will write product. Based on product, I will find the cell. Okay, so let's use it. First of all, equal to index function. Here in the index function, first of all, we will select the array. We want to find the cell. Let's select the cell and comma, then we will use match function. In the match function, first of all, our lookup value. This is our lookup value. Here we will search, comma, then our lookup array. This is our lookup array. Okay, product, comma, 0 or 1. Okay, for example 0, close it and close it, press enter. So now let's write, we will write find the computer cell. Okay, press enter. So the cell for the computer is 5000. For example, we want to find the cell for paint, that is 1200. Okay, so like you are searching, like if you can write the mouse, so 300 the first one. Okay, so like this you can use the index and match function. Now let's move to the text functions. Concatenate. Okay, it is used to combine or concatenate two texts. Okay, so let's both are the same. Okay, concatenate, or for example we want to just combine these two texts. Okay, so let's write equal to concat, sorry, we should write concat, enter text 1 comma text 2, close it and press enter. See, both text has combined. So it is simple usage of text function that we can use sometime. Now let's move to the left. Okay, left, for example, you want just find the value, just extract the characters from left side. Okay, for example, equal to left, open it. For example, we want just this, from this text we want to find first 5 character. Okay, 5 character. See, we just found Frodo. Okay, just to extract characters. And also we have another function which is right. It is extracting from right side. Okay, from this comma first 4, close it. See, cell, these are from right side, the four characters. Left and right has done. Now let's find length. Length is used to find the length of a character. Okay, equal to length of this character. How many characters are there? This cell, in this cell. Okay, these are 7 characters. And trim is used to remove the extra spaces from cell. Okay, for example, here we have extra cells at the start, like this one. Okay, we have more than 1 spaces. Okay, it will just remove more than 1 spaces at the start, and at the middle we have more than 1 spaces. Okay, so let's apply it. Equal to trim, select the text, close it. See, just 1 space here at the middle because it will remove other spaces, and also the starting spaces has removed. Lower, upper and proper. Okay, these are used to convert the text. For example, this text I want to convert it to the proper case, uppercase. Okay, equal to upper, select this, all character will change to uppercase. Okay, press uppercase. Let's change it back to the lowercase, select the text, close it. Now let's change it to the proper case. It means the first character of word would be capital. Equal to proper, select this one, close it, press enter. See, the first character of every word would be capital. So now let's use the find. Okay, the find text function. It is used to just find the position of character. Okay, for example, let's write it equal to find, close it. We want to find the position of find in this cell. Okay, so to find that, let's first of all write our text, which is find, comma, then our cell. Select this cell, close it and press enter. See, and 23rd position the find has started. If you start from left side the character, so it will be on 23rd. Okay, and this position. So it is the usage of find. If error. Okay, if error is used, for example, we would like to how like this. Okay, if error equal to if error. So here we want to just, for example, sometimes we are dividing a value on another, like 0 divide on 10. Okay, so it will face an error for us. Okay, let's, for example, we will just divide it. Okay, equal to 0 divide on 10. Press enter. Sorry, we should write like this. Okay, 10 divided by 0. Press enter. See, we faced with an error. Okay, so if you don't want to display an error in your data, so for that we will use if error. Okay, equal to if error. So here our video, comma, display here error, like this. Okay, simple error message, close it, press enter. See, it will display as the error. Here we can apply that. Okay, like this. Let's now remove it. Equal to if error, for example, 10 divided by 0. So comma, we should display error, close it. See, it will display as error instead of displaying that the previous error. So it will display as the message that we are entering. So it will display that message for us. So now let's move to the rand. Okay, it is used to generate a random number between 0 and 1 for us. Okay, equal to, if you would like to find random number, so we are using random function. See, random function. Again, if you write, press enter. See, different number for us. And the subtotal, let's now apply the subtotal. Okay, I will show you how to use the subtotal. Just come here to the sheet 2, and here we have, here we will find the subtotal. So we have sum and subtotal. Let's write here sum, and here I will write the subtotal. Okay, both are used to find the sum. Okay, but the subtotal is used to display the subtotal, the sum of those values which are we are displaying, not those which are hidden. Okay, but the sum is I will show you an example. Okay, let's do it. For example, I will first of all write to you subtotal. Okay, subtotal. Then here we will select, okay, the sum of the value. For example, sum is a 9. I will select this one, or I will write simply 9. Okay, after that, comma, then we should select our area. Let's select these values, close it and press enter. So we displayed the sum. Both are same, but the difference is, for example, we would like to apply filter on this area. Okay, so let's apply that. Control T, change it to the table. Now let's filter it. Okay, so to filter it, let's filter it based on the we would like to display just the electronics. Okay, so now what happened, it is displaying the sum of all values, all departments, but the subtotal display just the sum of these which we see on the screen. Okay, not the hidden values. It is displaying the sum of just these, like 16, that is 22. Now let's filter it based on for example, furniture. Okay, the sum is the same, but it displays just this value that we see on the screen, not the hidden values, that is 3,700. Okay, this is the difference. If you would like to find just based on filter on a condition, so let's display the garments. So this is the sum of garments. So that is how we use the subtotal. So it was all about these 20 functions, essential and important functions in MS Excel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.